In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to remove followers on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device, navigate to the menu by tapping on the menu icon. Once in the menu, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down till you find the Audience and Visibility section. In this section, locate the Followers and Public Content option. By default, this option is set to public, meaning anyone can follow you and see your posts, reels, and stories in their feed. To limit who can follow you, tap on this option. You can choose to set it to friends if you only want your friends to be able to follow you. If you want to remove a specific follower, go to the profile. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner on the profile. From the option, provide select block. By blocking a user, they won't be able to see your content unless you unblock them. That is it. You've learned how to remove followers on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.